Alright. Okay. So there's the bathroom next to the door. And here's the bathroom. There's no bathtub, but the shower booth looks perfect. There's the closet. And it has bathrobe. The interior looks super decent, and there's the door that is connected to the other room. There's no fridge, and this tray looks decent. And the view, the street view, looking good. The bed feels good. Let's explore the bathroom. The light comes up automatically once you enter. Okay. Handle on the both side. That's perfect. It says makeup. Okay, so it seems like it's the I'm not sure about this white thing, but since it says makeup, it seems like it's the tower for your face, body wash, hair shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. It's pretty cool. It's the tower for the floor, I believe. Towels, hair dryer. Awesome. And the shower. Okay. And it's 2 sliding door for the bathroom. I like this room. The coffee, Keurigs, and there's the fridge. These are all empty. So this is actually the button for the bar light. That's pretty cool. So it's all good, I guess. I like this hotel a lot. It's really clean, and interior inside is really pretty. and they have a bar upstairs that opens till 1 a.m. and they have the pool and spa that opens till the midnight. So that's the part I really like about this hotel, because normally the pool is closed at 9 for the most of the hotels. So here's the lower level. They have the fitness center and the lounge. And all the rooms are accessible by tapping the key right here. So it seems quite secured. So here's the pool and spa. The water is not too cold, so that's something nice. And the deepest part is only 5 feet, so that's also something. Okay, so there is a steam sauna and here's the dry sauna, so these features are pretty good too. Okay, so somebody drank a beer inside. The temperature is not too hot, so yeah, I mean, I actually was expecting like hot dry spa like this Korean jjimjilbang in K-Town, but I mean this works, and I guess this is safe temperature for all ages. So guess that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. Bye.